a place full of choice and playfulness. I've never seen Brendan more playful than now. He's ready. Well, my feet aren't. Here we go. Per store, so pretty much you have to wait here until the party like finds whatever they want, pays, and leaves, kind of thing. And there's like 3 or 4 stores, so that's okay. If you're not like super big into Star Wars, maybe don't wait. And there is like, if you look here for the Play Disney, there's like little QR codes you have to find. Well, obviously that's going to be super hard right now for obvious reasons.
Beverage reasons.
I should have gotten food. I didn't realize it was a sit down.
Okay. And we'll order you another one.
Yeah. Oh, I'll take one after. Gotta get another plantain.
Yeah, go for it.
These are so good. Go for it. You got well, you guys know it, roasters, but they only have them here. And then we got a drink, wink wink, notch notch.
Highly recommend, best one I've had. I don't know what this is, they didn't have it at Disneyland.
The drink is pretty refreshing. The meat?
Yeah, it's another meat.
Alright, let me look.
Background. Yeah. Make it really good here.
It's pretty good. The wiener is really good. What's the other meat though?
I don't know. I really like it.
Roasted pork, broiled pork sausage. Peppercorn sauce, tangy slaw, wrapped in pita bread. So it's pork. Pork on pork.
We're on board.
Yeah, we're gonna order another one. We haven't really ate anything except for the bagel and popcorn. That's it. Nothing like, you know, it's essential. The drink's pretty good. That guy's really good. The plantain chips are super good. I would eat just a bowl of that. It's green tea, matcha.
Oh. You on the bottom or the top one? It's on the bottom. Think it and sink it.
It's light, frothy. No flavor, but light and frothy.
It is really good.
I'm gonna grab a little bit of everything. Huh? Well, there it is. I think the coffee takes over. And then Brendan really likes this cream. I can't taste it.
Oh, yeah, the coffee overpowers it.
Peach?
Maybe. I thought it was like more like
Mango? Mango.
Or peach mango.
We have Tower next, which you can see there. Maybe. And then we have a reservation for Olga's at 5. And we're really hoping to ride with their assistants. We're group 88. They're on 75. We're feeling hopeful about it. It's 4:30, they close at 7, so we have what, 2.5 hours to make it happen? So, yeah. Tower of Terror should be about 45 minutes. We just ate, maybe not the best idea, but we didn't eat a lot.
45 minutes though, so
yeah.
Your stomach will settle.
We shall see, but not my heart. Not my heart. It is 4:30 and this is still the line for Rock and Roller Coaster. We did it at 10 and it was like 20 minutes. I think right now it's still at 60. This line is insane. Absolutely insane. Okay, so we're here, which is the entrance to the tower. It is 55 minutes. It is 4:30. We shall see. We shall see. It is still super warm outside. Not as hot as in July though, because in July I remember us being like absolutely miserable and wanting to like call it during the middle of the day. But maybe because we have no choice. I don't know. Viewfinder. Oh gosh.
It'd be very great to see the inspection.
Yeah.
It's different.
We've been watching Tower of... No. What is it called?
Twilight Zone?
Twilight Zone a lot recently, the new one. And so I'm just going to be thinking of that and how cool it is.
Welcome to the Twilight Zone.
While we do this, I'm going to be okay. It'll be okay. We'll be okay. I will see you afterwards.
You won't, sorry.
Alright, I will see you afterwards. I am not scared.
You're strong.
I'm terrified. But... Guys, I survived. The way I thought about it actually, I thought I'm just gonna raise my hand and say woo and make my body think I'm having a super blast and then my heart won't go up. And it worked. And I enjoyed it.
Did you put your hands up all the way?
No, I did this.
Oh, you just got it. Ooh.
You did it last time, remember?
I know.
On the third time, you're like, okay, put your hands up, and I was like, that's the last thing I want.
I don't. I want to get up. Just that sheer feeling of not being next to the seat and falling. I love it.
Yeah, what's not to love about that? You know? Our boarding pass got called. So excited. But we also have our Cantina reservation, so we're gonna talk to a cast member and see if we can go to the Cantina after or now. Which one would be better, after?
I think after.
Should we just go and then go to the Cantina?
Just talk to them, let them decide. Because they can probably do more for us if we tell them the situation.
Yeah. If you see any cast members, they can help us. It doesn't have to be the restaurant. I'll keep you guys posted on how it goes. No, I think I've seen this before, and there's like cast members close to the like Star Wars area that are there to help with like
So that's good for red.
weird situations like this.
Okay.
But I feel like they're gonna be understanding for the most part.
I hope so.
And then what else? But yeah, it was pretty good. I felt socially distanced. I remember getting dropped right away. Was that at Paris?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Because I was like,
Everyone does it differently.
I remember being dropped. Like you're comfortable because you think you're gonna go up, but I remember being dropped immediately there.
Paris is sneaky about it.
Yeah.
Usually California too will rise. Paris just like, hey, guess what?
No time for playing around.
Elevator goes down what? Huh?
And I love the Twilight theme.
Yeah.
So I hope that doesn't change because
Such
I love
classic
it.
bread. That's why I love it.
Yeah. Also, we got a drink here.
Arguably the best bread at Disney World.
I forgot to film the drinks, but we got drinks. We both got Tom Collins. If you've never tried a Tom Collins, try one, especially there. She made them really well, really friendly. Yeah, overall great. All right, I'll keep you posted. We'll see what happens. Alright, we're nice. Okay, so he said, oh, left me, I think. He said to do the reservation and then come back. So, we'll see. Beautiful. We might not do Smuggler's Run, by the way.
That's fun. You and Callie.
What'd you order?
Lovely Tom Tom.
Look this deal. That's the one I got. Here's the QR code, my face mask. We got a standing table. But we're part of the DJs. Brendan's, you know, NFL. Woo!
Hey, always swear, but that's not safe. So look at I've got a bad feeling about this.
Ooh. Look. That's boba balls. I'm gonna get a little bit of everything.
This guy is really about to go away. Go to the
Yeah? Back for a second.
Initiate pre-flight sequence on deck 3 for Picard.
Start there.
Affirmative. Deck
attraction. Let me try it once we stop again. I know, they're in group 101 right now, so this is out, you know? And 140 until, okay, I'll try it. Okay, hold on.
Blue raspberry.
You judge me for liking cough syrup, but that's like NyQuil and what's that stuff for your stomach? Heart rate, diarrhea, Pepto-Bismol. It's like NyQuil and Pepto-Bismol had a baby.
Like blue raspberry Pepto-Bismol.
It does.
But I like that.
It goes down so smooth like Pepto-Bismol. Not for me, ladies and gents. I don't know why I keep telling you guys that. I'm sorry, guys. Oh, I didn't film that. That was so good. I literally just asked Brendan how was it, and you said?
It was one of the greatest things of my
No,
life.
you changed it. He said it was the greatest thing of his life. Not marrying me, you know, no.
I think you hear what you want to hear. And I said it's one of the greatest things.
It was so good, guys. I am so glad
Incredible.
I saw like
Oh my god.
close to no spoilers.
Yeah.
You couldn't not see any spoilers, but I saw almost like nothing about the story.
Don't look it up, do it.
Don't look it up. Don't look it up. It's gonna like, I think the more blind you go in, the better. It was amazing. It's huge. Okay, I'm gonna stop talking about it before I spoil it, but yeah. Brian, we still need to do it. Whenever California opens,
If we're not there, go do it.
yes, do it.
We
But
want to do it with you, but do it by yourself, you have to.
yeah, it was so good. I'm so glad you got to do it. Guys, you guys don't understand. We wanted to do this since February, and we were 5 minutes late. But it's done, and now we're like rushing again because I want to finish at Runaway. So I'll see you after. We'll see what happens.
It's so nice to see you. Come on in. Don't be shy. That's right. Everyone to your positions. Ready? And 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh, excellent. You're all waltzing so beautifully together. Now, let's
Another good night. Very successful, I would say.
Extremely.
Yeah.
I think that's the best work we've done all trip.
I liked yesterday a lot too, though. I liked yesterday because we ate and rode a lot. Today I feel like we rode a lot. You know what I
We
mean?
hit every ride.
Yeah. But it was really good. What time did we get here?
We started the day at 7.
We started the day at 7, but technically the park opened at 9.
Yeah.
So from 9 to 8 p.m. Tomorrow's Epcot, so we can sleep in a little bit. Just like a very tiny bit. But it's fine. Epcot is so fun. It's a lot of food, a lot of drinks, not a lot of rides. So, should be very like...
I don't do test track though. I think it's like that run ride in California.
Alright. His feet are not barking as far as my feet. But we still might not get it.
You want to wait till we do something?
No. I want it to be like luck of the draw. That's what we got last time. We'll go to Caribbean Beach and then from there, so don't take an Uber here, at least not right now, because they're not letting cars in until half an hour. Well, I think it was like 40 minutes before the ride. No,
It was 9:02.
it was an hour before.
The same time we got here, pretty much.
Yeah, pretty much about the same time, but you don't have to like run. Yeah, whatever.
But you still have to hop in line.
Yeah.
So
And there
either
was-
get super early onto the beach club, Sky Train,
Skyline.
or drive at like
But
9.
Driving, it seemed like there was a lot of cars waiting to get in. So if you're gonna be in the line of cars before you get in, kind of thing.
I mean, we didn't get our boarding pass till 2, so I mean, depending on how you want to play it, if there's a way to get here earlier.
No, but they should still. I don't know. I think you should
Okay.
still get here early because
I agree.
there was a lot of people. So that
Yeah,
obviously,
you can get the big rides done.
yeah, there's a lot of people. We got to do Runway in like 20 minutes, and we got to do Rock and Roller Coaster too. All within like that first hour. Of not even opening, you know, because they open an hour early.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort. This is our final destination. All passengers must disembark at this station. Transfers and return service are available. Thank you for flying with us.
He's sending a post. We just saw
There's a
now.
wizard over there. Wrong hotel.
Wrong hotel. No, they're hiding the kid. That's why.
There you go.
Just took the Skyliner. Easy, super easy experience. We didn't get out of the park until 8:30, so there was no wait time really at all to get into the Skyliner. And then same thing once we got to Beach Club.
So every time you go to the shops.
Yeah. Overall, really good experience. Favorite ride of the night? B? Silly question.
Yeah.
Ride of the Resistance for B. Finally got to mark it off his list.
There's no way you're not going to say that wasn't the best ride.
It wasn't. It was okay. It was an amazing experience. I think it's like a complete package. Like they thought of the beginning, the middle, and the end, right?
I'm sorry, if you compare that to
Making Runway. I just or Making Runaway. The only reason I love that one so much is because it's like it brings me back to when I was a kid. Like
yeah,
it's
that's
a
what Star Wars did
5.
for me.
It's so kiddish.
You didn't grow up with Star Wars, so
it's
that's
a
why.
few. Okay, hold on. My brothers would correct that.
Okay, but you weren't into Star Wars.
I wasn't into Star Wars, but it was
That's what I'm saying,
around
like,
my age.
What you got from that ride, I got from the other one.
Yeah.
Still a better ride.
More planned out. There's more to it. I will agree that there's more to it. Favorite thing we ate?
The ride before the ride.
What was the favorite thing we ate?
Ronto wrap.
Ronto. Yeah, that was good.
Absolutely.
Even I ate
You got
one.
2.
And I usually never eat one in Disneyland. But it hit the spot. I think we were also really hungry. Not really hungry, but I think our bodies needed it. No, actually, I like the plantain bean chips more. They were really good. I need the recipe for that ASAP. If someone has a recipe, send it my way because it was good. But overall experience really good. I think the only thing we didn't get to do was saucers, but it wasn't like high there in our list. We didn't get to ride anything twice except for Runway Railway. We did it the very last hour and the very first hour of the day. We didn't really eat much, but I don't think there's many places to eat there.
We got a drink.
We did drink. Pretty good. Tom Collins and the Cantina. We did go to the Cantina.
We got a jelly.
We did get a jelly. It was interesting. I would get it once. It's good to share with
gotta try it.
whoever's there, you know.
It's an experience.
It was a huge experience. But I think I would prefer my own drink next time.
And get the bantha.
And we got to sit next to the DJ, so that was amazing. But yeah, overall really good. I hope you guys enjoyed our journey with us. It's been quite a long day, but we might go somewhere else tonight just because it doesn't open until 11 tomorrow. So we have plenty of time. Alright, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for our next couple magical days here at Disney World. And until next time, adios.